Hey guys, it's Angie here, and I am back with another fidget spinner video, and this is part 2. So I'm going to show you my other fidget spinner that I got today, and which is going to be so cool. And yeah, so I'm going to start a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, right here. This is a football spinner. What I like about it is that they have the symbol. This is where I live in Houston. Did they have to put that in there? That was made in China. Who cares if it was made in China? Boy, I don't live in China. So anyways, this is my fidget spinner. It has black bearings, which is cool about it. I mean, what I don't like about it is that the part in the middle, it pops out, and then you can't really do that much cool tricks on it. Like this, I mean, you can do that, but the middle finger, I mean, it just gets too wobbly by that time. My old fidget spinner is better because it has downward and everything, which is cool about it. I just wanted to show you guys my fidget spinner. So, yeah, I think that's it for the video. You guys have an awesome time, and bye.